When your Lennox AC's outdoor fan runs, but the compressor doesn't, it means the cooling cycle is stalled. The compressor is the heart of your AC, responsible for compressing refrigerant. If it's not running, you're not getting cold air. This issue often stems from electrical problems, refrigerant levels, or faulty components. Newer Lennox units may display error codes via smart thermostats or apps like Lennox iComfort, aiding in diagnosis. We'll explore common causes and fixes in this video. The compressor's function relies on adequate refrigerant levels and proper electrical function. Low refrigerant, often due to leaks increasingly common due to refrigerant cost, can trigger low-pressure switches, preventing the compressor from starting. Electrically, the compressor contactor, a relay switch, and run capacitor are critical. The contactor connects power to the compressor, and the capacitor provides the initial energy boost for startup. A faulty contactor or a degraded capacitor with a lifespan of 5 to 10 years are frequent culprits. Modern Lennox AC units built after 2010 include essential safety mechanisms designed to protect the compressor from damage. These features prevent issues like overpressure, overheating, and rapid cycling that could lead to expensive failures. The first key safety mechanism is the high and low pressure switches. These monitor the refrigerant pressure in the system. If pressure gets too high above 450 psi or too low below 20 psi, the switches automatically shut down the compressor to prevent damage from overpressure or leaks. Next are thermal overloads, which protect against overheating. If the compressor temperature rises above safe limits around 225 degrees Fahrenheit, these overloads disconnect the electrical power to prevent motor burnout and component damage. Time delays are another crucial safety feature. They add a 3 to 5 minute pause between compressor starts, preventing rapid cycling that causes wear and tear. This helps avoid damage from frequent on-off operations during temperature fluctuations. It is absolutely imperative that you never bypass these safety features. Ignoring or disabling them can result in significantly more expensive repairs, including total compressor failure. Additionally, tampering with safety systems will void your warranty, leaving you responsible for all repair costs. Before calling a technician, perform some basic checks. First, ensure power is reaching the unit. Use a multimeter to check the voltage at the compressor contactor. Next, visually inspect the run capacitor for bulging or leaks. If you have experience with a multimeter, test the capacitor's capacitance in microfarads. If the reading is significantly below its rated value, it likely needs replacement. However, always disconnect power before working with electrical components and understand your limitations. Safety first. The compressor contactor can fail due to arcing or overheating. Look for signs of burnt or pitted contacts. The run capacitor degrades over time, losing its ability to provide the necessary startup boost. Replacing a faulty contactor or capacitor is often a straightforward repair. Be sure to use exact replacement parts to ensure compatibility and proper operation. Remember to disconnect power and discharge the capacitor before replacement. If you suspect low refrigerant levels in your Lennox AC unit, the first step is to check for signs of leaks. Look for oily residue on the refrigerant lines or fittings, which indicates where the refrigerant is escaping. While it may be tempting to add refrigerant yourself, this requires EPA certification and specialized equipment to handle refrigerants safely and legally. Due to increasing refrigerant costs and environmental regulations, such as the phase-out of R410A in favor of eco-friendly alternatives, it's crucial to have a certified technician locate and repair the leak before recharging the system. Ignoring a refrigerant leak will lead to recurring problems and potential damage to the compressor, as the system continues to lose refrigerant without proper repair. The HVAC industry is rapidly evolving, with Lennox leading the way in smart technology. Their integration of IoT-enabled thermostats and control boards provides real-time error codes and predictive alerts. AI-assisted diagnostics, through partnerships with platforms like Google Nest and Amazon Alexa, can analyze usage patterns and predict compressor issues, potentially preventing breakdowns before they occur. These advancements are making AC maintenance more proactive and efficient. Their integration of IoT-enabled thermostats and control boards provides real-time error codes and predictive alerts. AI-assisted diagnostics can analyze usage patterns and predict compressor issues. Also, Lennox has AR repair tools coming out soon.